If you're looking for a way to take control of your finances and really start understanding where your money is going, YNAB, you need a budget, might just be the answer. It's not your typical budgeting app. What sets it apart is its approach to managing money, which is all about being intentional with every dollar. It's built around a simple idea: give every dollar a job. You can't just budget and hope things work out. You have to be proactive, and YNAB helps you do that by forcing you to plan your spending ahead of time. The results speak for themselves. 90% of YNAB users say their finances are in a better place after using the app, and 91% say it's completely changed how they think about money. Those are some serious numbers, and it's no surprise when you consider how the app works. It teaches you to prioritize your expenses, focus on your goals, and even save for those bigger, less frequent costs like holidays or car repairs. The more you use it, the easier it gets to stay on track. You can even link your bank account securely, and the app automatically imports your transactions, which takes a lot of the manual work out of budgeting. The app is also super flexible. You can use it on your computer, phone, or tablet, and it syncs across all devices, so you're always up to date. Plus, if you're someone who likes to manage money with others, whether that's a partner or a family, you can share your subscription with up to 6 people for the same price, which is pretty awesome. The YNAB method makes it feel like you're not just budgeting, but actively working toward building a life that feels stress-free and in line with your values. Users have even said it's helped improve their relationships and sleep. Seriously. On the downside, YNAB isn't free. While there's a 34-day free trial, after that you'll need to pay for a subscription. The annual plan is $109, which works out to about $9 a month, but if you prefer a month-to-month payment, it's $14.99 per month. Some people might balk at paying for a budgeting app when there are free alternatives out there, but considering how effective the method is, many users believe it's totally worth the cost. In the end, YNAB is for anyone who's tired of living paycheck to paycheck or feeling stressed about money. It's not just about tracking your spending, it's about understanding your financial habits and turning them into something more intentional and rewarding. If you're ready to stop guessing where your money goes and start planning for a future that feels secure, this app could be a game changer.